Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. We're here at 4 Mador Avenue, Unit 2, Taunton, Massachusetts. It's a second floor, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated throughout. Starting a video tour when you walk in. Beautiful kitchen area here, new flooring throughout, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. Left to right here in the kitchen, you got gorgeous butcher block countertops. Brand new cabinets, electric stove, pantry closet there, refrigerator, AC that does come with the unit. You got more cabinet and countertop space there with a double sink. Very spacious kitchen. Entrance there. To the right of the entrance, you get the bathroom with a shower tub and vanity. You got the smaller of the 3 bedrooms here off the kitchen. Could fit a full set, possibly a queen. Second bedroom here. Could fit a queen set. Before we get to the living area, you got the 3rd bedroom here. Very spacious, could fit a queen, possibly a king. You got a fire escape there, and then closet space there. And you got the large living area facing the front of the house. You have shared off-street parking, as well as non-coin operated washer and dryer in the basement for shared usage. I'd like to apply for 4 Mador Avenue, Unit 2, Taunton, Massachusetts. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.